Hello everyone, my name is Henrik Tomas Familia Arroyo. I'm from Dominican Republic and I'm 21 years old. My topic for this week is image citing and compression, an interesting topic that is really important when we are creating our website. The first thing I want to talk is well, these two topics, page weight and the site. These two topics work together because we need a good page weight and a good site. We have an optimized page that go faster and can do the thing that we want to do. Okay, I have an example that I want to show you. Here I have two images of the logo of Instagram. The first image is a small one and we can see have good quality and it's a good image uh, for Instagram. But here we have a big image of Instagram that it's not really good and we say like, I don't gonna like to do that in my page. This don't look like nice. Have low quality, the pixel don't see very well and things like that. The thing is when we resize our image, only like doing it bigger, the same pixels that have this image gonna be here, and the only thing is gonna be bigger and gonna looks bad. But there is a lot of tools that we can use to optimize our images to resize them. Here we have four of them: Adobe Photoshop, GIMP, Pic Resize, and PicGPG. I use these two, these to Pic Resize and PicGPG. I like them, and every time I want to resize my image, I use it. So I want to show you an example uh, why it's better to resize our image using these types of tools. So I'm gonna go to page here, big GPG. It's in Spanish, but it's okay. The only thing we want to do is to resize our image. This page, gonna put bigger our image and gonna put the amount of pixels that the image need to be bigger and have a good quality. So I'm gonna use the same image that is in the sample, the logo of Instagram, and I'm gonna use in this page we can like multiply the image like 2 or 4, 8, 16, and like so we're gonna make it 4. Okay, so now it's updating the photo, so we're gonna jump to that moment. Okay, so I allow it. Now we have our two image. The first that I update and the second one the updated. If we see this is bigger but don't look like this. No, have a good quality and you say, oh, okay, I can use that in my website. It's a good image. And well, now it's bigger, not have more weight, but if you want to have bigger image, obviously gonna have more weight. The same thing is when you want your image smaller. Well, don't gonna happen things like this when you want the image smaller because, well, you're gonna want to see more near to the pixels. No, it's like far and the quality then gonna change. The thing is here is the weight. When you if you have a really big image and you put it smaller, gonna have the same weight and your page can continue being slow. So I'm gonna show you here an example. If this is an image that we use in our project in this week. So we have the first one, his weight is 2.3 megabytes, and the second one is 40 kilobytes. If you see it's the same image, if the same width and weight, but it's different weight. The thing is, in this example, we are using the big image. Like if we go to our HTML with a CSS, we can change the width of our image and gonna look the same way that the second image, but it's gonna have a different weight, and that's gonna be a waste of weight and space in our program. So I'm gonna show you an example. Okay, now in we are in Pic Resize. This is one of my favorites. I use it every time I want to put a small an image. And we have our image that his weight is 2.3 megabytes. So the thing here, you can see your original image pixels, 6,429, and his weight is 4,286. That's a lot of pixels, so gonna be a lot of weight. If you want, you can come here and put it 15% smaller, or 75% or 25%, depends what you want. Or you can do it like manually, adding only the width that you want or the weight that you want, and you're gonna build your image smaller. So we come here, if we only want to put it 50% smaller, I'm done and resize the picture. Now we can see that our image is 15% smaller. But if we notice something, the file size is like really smaller than after. Now our image is like really smaller. So now we can use it better. Now if we use it in our page, we're gonna have like gonna be more faster than before. Okay, so now we finish talking about the size and the weight of our or our image, I want to show you a tool we can use to know if our image is taking more weight that we need, and we don't need it, we can use the tools that I showed you before. And it's a tool that you know is in your browser and you can use it always. So we're gonna go to the browser, and here is in my site at Domingo Chamber of Commerce. So here, the thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go first to inspect. Yeah, gonna first to inspect. You're gonna type that I'm using the image that is 2.3 megabytes in this moment. Okay, now we are here. We're gonna go to network. Now that we are in network, we need this. Go here, click right, and click here, empty cache and hard reload. And he's gonna show you all the things we have in our HTML and the size of them. We see we have the CSS, our image, the placeholder by now. Okay, so if we notice something, there is an element that have a lot of time to load, and we're gonna see what is that element. So we're gonna click it, and we're gonna see that it's our image. This is the place that I take the image, and so that we know that this is our image, we can see the side and we can see the content that the program have to download before the server responds. That's a good tool, and thanks for listening, and I hope this is gonna help you by working on your websites. Thanks for all, and see you. Thanks.